In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to desaturate an image using Gimp, the open source image editor. This quick guide is perfect for those who want to learn how to remove color from their images to create a classic black and white effect. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. To begin, you'll first need to open Gimp on your computer. If you don't have Gimp installed, you can easily download it from the official Gimp website. It's free and available for various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have Gimp up and running, you'll likely be greeted by its multi-window interface, which might seem a little overwhelming if you're new to it. But don't worry, once you get accustomed to it, you'll find it's a very flexible workspace. With Gimp open, the next step is to open the image you'd like to transform. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top left of your screen and selecting Open from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up, allowing you to browse and select the image file stored on your computer. Simply navigate to the file, select it, and click Open. Your selected image should now appear in Gimp's main window. The desaturation process begins by heading up to the menu bar at the top. From there, locate the Colors menu. This menu hosts a variety of options to adjust the color properties of your image, but today we are focusing on desaturation. Click on Colors to expand the menu, and then select Saturation from the list of options. This action will open a new window on your screen where you can adjust the saturation levels of your image. In the Saturation dialog box, you will notice a slider that controls the intensity of colors within your image. To desaturate completely and turn your image black and white, you need to set this slider all the way to 0. You can do this by either dragging the slider to the far left or by directly entering 0 in the input field next to the slider. Once set to 0, your image will be desaturated, removing all the colors and leaving you with a grayscale version. And there you have it. Your image is now black and white. If you're happy with how your image looks, you can go ahead and save your work. Do this by returning to the File menu and choosing Export As. In the Export dialog, you can select your preferred file format, name your file, and choose where to save it on your computer. Finally, click on Export and you're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on using Gimp and other editing software.